Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Bureau County in north central Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Geneseo, or 13 miles north of Cambridge, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Atkinson around 3:50 p.m. Hoopole around 4 p.m. Yorktown, Leon Corners, and Thomas around 4:05 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northwestern Illinois. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northwestern Illinois. The National Weather Service in the